Hello, childrens. Today we are going to discuss on the half the open book test that I gave you day before yesterday on HCF and LCM. Under this, I had completed question number 1 and question number 2. That both questions we seen it in the previous lecture. Now we will discuss about the third question. That is, we have to find out the HCF by division method and to find out its reduced simplest form. Okay, so these both questions are there in your exercise. Okay, and that questions I gave you here. So let us see how to solve this example. So first of all, first example we will see this one, that is 161 upon 69, and one correction is there. This both question I gave you from the textbook only. So here 5 is there, 525 is there. Okay, so we are going to solve this example by 225 by using this only number. So let us solve the question number first, that is 161 divided by 69. We have to find its HCF. Okay, so first of all, which is the question? 160. I taught you this method. That method is called as a, here I told you in question it is given that we have to solve this example by division method. Okay, and question is that 161 divided by 69. Okay, then we have to write this 161 and here we have to take 69. Okay, so first of all, 69 ones are 69 and 69 twos are 138 is there. So here 138. Okay, division we are doing. 1 minus 8 is not possible. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Okay, as I taught you what we have to do now. The next, this 69 we have to write at this place. So write it here 69. You know that 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, and 23 threes are 63. So here 23 threes are 63. So 63 here write, and you will get the answer, that is the 0. And therefore HCF of 161 upon 69 is how much? 23. This is the HCF, because when we divide this with 63, then we are getting the remainder 0, and that's why HCF is the 23. Now one more question they asked us, that is we have to find out its a reduced form. So here I will do the reduced form of it. So here 161 divided by 69, we have to divide this both the numbers with the 23. Divide both this number with the 23. So 23 sevens are 161. 23 sevens are 161, and 23 threes are which? That is 69. So in this way, the first question we solved by the division method. So the HCF is, this number is the 23, and the reduced form of it is the, therefore here write, the reduced form of 161 upon 69 is 7 upon 3. Understood how to solve this example? Okay, so similarly we have to solve the next question. Okay, next question. So now copy down this and check your answer. Now we have to solve the second question from this, that is 275 divided by 525. Okay, so here I will take the example, which is the example 275 divide 525. 275 525. So bigger number we have to write under this division sign, 525. Here it will come 275. 275 2 za, 275 2 za. If we done the multiplication of this, you will get the answer more than 525. Okay, it is nearly 550. So here we have to take the division first only. Here 275 ones are 275. Okay, do the subtraction. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then here 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, and here remains 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, according to rule we have to write this 275 at this place, 275. Okay, now 250 ones are 250, because if we multiply it you will get more than, means 500 you will get, and it is more. So if you done the subtraction of this, you will get 25 at this place, and this 250 we have to write here 250. Okay, you know that here 25 tens are 250 and the remainder is 0, and therefore HCF is equals to how much? 25. Okay, now we have to find out it's a reduced form. So reduced form is equals to what will come? Reduced form of it is equals to 275 divided by 525 divided with the which? This HCF, that is 25. Here also 25. So 25 if you divide this you will get the 25 into 11 is equal to 275, because 25 tens are 250 and 25 into 11 275, and 25 upon 525 divided by 25 is equals to 21. So the reduced form is 11 upon 21 and HCF is the 25. Okay, so this is the question. Second question we have completed now. Now note down this, all of you, check your answer, and one correction is I told you 520, instead of taking 522 that I gave you in the question, you just replace that number with the 525. Okay, now we will see the next question. That is, I gave these questions from textbook only because you have to do, it is better to do the practice of this question. Okay, now the next question is the LCM and HCF of two numbers is, LCM and HCF of two numbers is 432 and 72. So if one of the number is 216, what is the other number? Okay, so we will solve the example. Question is, according to question, here we knows the value of LCM and the HCF. Yes, correct. Here LCM is 432 and HCF is 72, and one of the number whose LCM and HCF we knows is 216. So first of all we will write the question, write the formula. What is our formula? I taught you that LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. Okay, so here LCM we know that, see the question, 432 into HCF is 72. Okay, one of the number, means these two numbers inside, one of the number they gave you, that is 216. We will take that 216 as a first number. Okay, and we have to find out the second number. Okay, just follow the mathematical rules. 432 into 72 upon 216 is equals to the second number. So 216 ones are 216, 216 twos are 432, and here remains 72 into 2 is equal to second number. So 72 twos are 144, the second number. So in this way you have to solve the question number, I think it was fifth question it was there. Okay, so note down all of you this question, this answer. If you corrected, if you written, just check it. Now we will see the last question from our test, And the last question is we have to do the addition of 17 upon 18 and 13 upon 12. That question I gave, my own question is there. So here we have to use the LCM. We have to find out the LCM of denominator. Question is the 17 upon 18 and 13 upon 12. 17 upon 18 and 13 upon 12. 13 upon 12, its addition we have to do, and for that addition we have to use the LCM. So first of all, the LCM of 18 and 12 we will find it. So LCM is equal to, if you are finding LCM, okay, so first of all, the first common number in the 18 and 12 table, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, and 12 threes are 36. So 36 is the first common number in the 18 and 12 table, and that's why 36 is the first common number in 18 and 12 table, and that's why the LCM of 18 and 12 is how much? 36. Okay, now we have to convert this denominator into the 36. So to convert 18 into 36, we have to multiply here with the 2. So multiply the numerator and denominator of fraction with the same number, that is the 2, and here in 12's table inside 13 is present at third place. So multiply the 13 upon 12 with the 3. So 17 twos are 34, 18 twos are 36, plus 13 threes are 39, 12 threes are 36. Now denominators are same. So here 36 and numerators addition, that is 34 plus 39 is equals to 73 upon 36. As you know that 73 is a prime number, so it is not divisible by any number. If the number which is coming at numerator and denominators are divisible by any number, you divide and find its reduced form, and if not, then they keep this number as it is only. Okay, so in this way today we have discussed about the remaining three questions from our test. Okay, third, fourth and the fifth. So all of you complete this test. If you have any doubt here, then you just send question number. I will just guide you how to complete it. So today we have completed the LCM and HCF open book test. Next is I gave you the test, that is syllabus also, and also the paper pattern also. So according to it, all of you do the study for the unit test. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.